Here we come to the elevator on East Davy Street at the Red Hat parking garage in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. It's a Schindler 500A. Almost exactly like the kind at Sugar Town Square. P6. There are homeless people on P7, so we're not going to go up there at all. All right, let's go on to 1. This is a nice elevator. I might go for one more ride. Actually, I might end it up here and then we'll find the main elevators. This was installed in 2004. The camera will focus. 2004, and I just canceled my call. But anyways, these are your Atom Survivor vandal resistant fixtures, California code compliant Atom Survivor Plus. Let's go up. Let's go back up to P6 and we'll end there. Oh, indicators on the top of the door frame. Sorry guys, we're not gonna go to P7 because I rode this thing just a second ago and there are like 2 to 3 homeless people sitting on the top floor, sitting on P7. But this is the side elevator here. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.